Hi guys, and welcome to my Wednesday video. Today we're going to be talking about how you can use affirmations. And this is a request from Renee. Renee, I hope you like this one. It's for you. Mwah. But first, my name is Margret Atladottir, and I am the founder of Mindset Mastery Living, and I help people take control of their lives. Welcome back. Affirmations. Now, do they work? Maybe you have been told to say nice things to yourself in the mirror. And you do, but then you just do not believe it. And after a while, it's like, is this just a mumbo jumbo? Well, the thing is, I've been there. I've been doing that when I was a kid or like a teenager. So that's why my tip number one is to get your affirmation straight, right? Let's take an example. Let's say that you believe deep down inside that you're ugly for some reason. Now, if your affirmation is too far from your truth, the things that you believe in, that does not necessarily mean that they're true, but you believe it. And if you truly believe that you're ugly, then saying to the mirror as an affirmation, I'm beautiful, that creates kind of like a war in your head. And all the things will automatically go like, yeah, right, who are you fooling? You are ugly as shit. Know what I'm talking about? Well, that's why I want you to reconsider your affirmations. Don't take them so far away from your truth, okay? Find something that you actually think it's okay, and you say that's beautiful. So let's just say that you have beautiful eyes. Say that you have beautiful eyes, you know? Because somewhere in there you feel like, yeah, my eyes are okay. I can do that. Because then the step is not that far and it doesn't create the same chaos and war in your subconscious. So it's more likely that you will start changing your way of thinking about yourself. And that's what affirmations is all about. This is about strengthening you. My tip number two is don't do everything at the same time. Affirmations, they don't actually work rapidly. You need to kind of think it as a staircase, one step at a time. And systematically, you will change the way you think about yourself. Because what you want to do, affirmations need to connect with your unconscious, right? You're talking to your conscious level, but you need to connect with the unconscious. And that's why you have to take one thing at a time. My tip number three is to ask powerful questions. Now, a lot of studies have shown that if you ask powerful questions, you do get powerful answers back, right? So I would like you to change some, you don't have to change all of them, but change some of your affirmations from I am to am I, and make your mind work a little bit. As an example, we can take am I ugly? Now your mind loves puzzles, so it will go straight to really? Am I? Wait, let me see. And you know what? You'll look and you'll say, nah, no. I have beautiful eyes. Right? So, and this actually gets to your unconscious a little bit more rapidly. Well, that would be all for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my videos, my Wednesday videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you want a topic, you can send to me. You can write a topic on YouTube, on Facebook, on Insta. It's all Mindset Mastery Living. And like I've said before, I do have a lot of things going on, so keep up with me. Sign up for the theater course. It's Mindset Mastery Theater course. If you live in Uppsala or in Stockholm, Sweden, it's starting in the beginning of March. So check it out on mindsetmasteryliving.com. And you know what, guys? I am very confident when I say that you got this.